In this quick video, I will show you how to create your own Solana token or crypto in under 60 seconds using just your credit card like this one. Let's go. So in this video, we'll be using a platform called MintCraft.io, which is literally the only platform in the industry where you can create your own Solana token using a credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all sorts of payment. You do not need a phantom wallet or any third-party wallet. You do not need any crypto to create your token. It is the simplest tool and the simplest process that anyone can use to create their own crypto in 2026. Simply go ahead to mintcraft.io. From here, you can navigate to Solana XPL token or simply go and click on create token now. We'll be navigating from here. And once you're here, this is going to be a two-step process. The first step is to fill in some basic information about your token. So you do not need any coding knowledge to do this. And in this video, I will be creating a token called New Age. It does not mean anything. It's just something I came up with. And let's mint $1 billion worth of this token. You can verify the number from here as well, as it shows 1 billion. Token logo is very important, so make sure you have a token logo in place. Here we go. Our token logo looks great. Now you need to add some description as well, maximum 500 characters. In this case, I'll be adding some basic description. So everything looks great. The next step is to manage the token authorities. When it comes to token authorities, you have to revoke the freeze authority, and this will be turned on by default. And the second one is revoking the mint authority. Basically, it means that you won't be able to mint more than the supply that you have set initially, which is 1 billion New Age tokens in our case. This is vital to create credibility as well as gain trust of your community once you launch your token on any DEX. So in this case, I'll be turning this on. Next step is to add some socials. This is optional, but again, I would highly recommend adding some socials to your token as well. And by the way, this is not a community. I'm just adding some placeholder text. Lastly, you can add some tags for the SEO of your token. In this case, I'll just use token and meme coin. That's it. Perfect. Everything looks good. Now with all of this information, you can just go ahead and create your token. But there's a bonus here. You can add your tokenomics here as well. If you have your tokenomics, I would highly suggest you add your tokenomics here as well. This is absolutely free, and this tokenomics will be shown on blockchain data as well, which is basically a free service, which is extremely cool if you think about it. So in this case, for example, I'll just use pre-sale as 40%, 20%. 20% is going to be launch, and then I will be using the other 20% as team. And lastly, I will use 10% as airdrop. So we are at 90%, and the rest percent, I don't know. I'll just keep it as XYZ. Since I don't have any tokenomics, but this tool is so powerful because you can actually put your tokenomics on the blockchain while you are minting your token. Now everything looks great. Just make sure you have turned everything on as well as filled in the right information. And the next step is where the magic really happens. So as you can see, my wallet is not connected. And if you click on connect wallet, you'll be served with two options. You can either use your email or social login or your phantom wallet. In this case, I'll be using my email to create a brand new wallet as well as paying with my credit card. Here we go. And once you have the login code, just paste it here and your wallet is created with no hassle within 5 seconds. That's how easy it is. So as you can see, we do not have any Solana or anything in our wallet right now. And if you want to dive deeper into your wallet, just click on my account, and you will be able to see any tokens that you have created or any Solana if you have in your wallet. At this point, we don't have any Solana or we don't have any tokens. So let's go ahead and create our first token. As soon as you sign up and create your wallet, you will have an option to pay with Solana. In this case, it's going to be 0.4 Solana, or you can opt in to pay with card. And this price will be equivalent to what the price of Solana is. Today, the price of Solana is almost $100. So that's why 0.4 Sol is going to be $41 US. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link, any kind of payment that you want. And in this case, I will be using my credit card. The process has started. Here you have to fill in the billing information, and this is powered by Stripe, so this is as safe as it can get. This will show you option to pay in your native currency as well as US dollars. In this case, I'll be paying in US dollars. Just fill in the basic information and click pay. The transaction was successful and you will be redirected back to mintcraft.io, and the transaction will go through to create your token. Here we go. The token is created. Here's the information about our token. New age, nage. You can verify all the information. 1 billion nage supply. The logo looks great. You can also check out the details about your token on the public page, which is way cooler, I would say. So you have your tokenomics, you have your logo, token, website, Telegram. The token authorities are revoked as well. And the coolest part about this public page is that you can share this page with your community. And once you have any market data or trading data, that will auto-populate here as well. Secondly, if you have any LP locked, it will be shown here as well, which is extremely cool. So we have created this token just using our credit card, which is insane. So literally anyone can create their own crypto, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to launch your own token successfully on Solana and create your own liquidity pool. You can actually navigate to liquidity pool and you can follow the instructions to create the pool, but I'll be showing you in the next video. But before we wrap up, I want to show you a dashboard. So at any point, if you feel like you want to see all the tokens and all the liquidity pool that you have created, as well as the tokens that you have burned, token vesting, LP locks, you can simply click on dashboard and you will be able to see everything that you have done so far with MintCraft. And the second part is that if you want to move your Solana, or if you want to move your tokens to another wallet, you can do that as well by clicking on send or receive. So you can receive Solana as well as other tokens, and you can send your tokens as well as Solana. And at any point you want to access your private keys, simply go ahead and click on the private key button. Click I understand, and you will be shown your private keys. Make sure to copy them and save them somewhere secure. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.